Hello everybody, today we are looking into what is SDL, and we have so many questions to ask. If you want to know everything, look into the timestamps, and I would say let's start and learn something about SDL. And now what is SDL? It is an API, an application programming interface. Basically it is a library implemented with things that can make our life way easier to make an application or, for example, also a game. And with that we are coming to the topic, what is it used for? And it is a window manager. That means it can open you a window and you can put things into it and you can work with it. For example, you can put buttons in it and then you can adjust them like you want and everything, and you can build your own GUI if you want, your graphical user interface, and you can do everything with that. Yes, it includes graphics as well, graphics rendering, but it is not that good. That's the reason why a lot of the people add another graphics rendering tool like Vulkan, OpenGL, or DirectX for Windows. And then it is also an audio manager that you can manage your audio in it if you want to. If you have some game sounds or background music, you can do it with SDL. And it is most importantly an input handler. For example, if you click with your mouse or you type something in your keyboard, that's the setup that you, or the window that you have opened, can handle your input and output the code that you have written behind it. And with that we are coming to the question, why using SDL? And honestly, you don't have to use SDL. SDL is just a low-level API for multi-platform options, but you don't have to use it. And there are other APIs for the same purpose, most importantly for the input handler. And for example, you could use GLFW. This is specifically made for OpenGL. You could use it also for some other things, but it is mainly made for OpenGL with the graphics API OpenGL. Or you could also use Win32. This is an API specifically made for Windows, or SFML, and this is just also an API like SDL, but it's like modern C++, and or it's more like it is more adjusted to modern C++, and if you want to use it, feel free to use it. Maybe there are some features that you want to use, or if SDL fits you better, use SDL, feel free. And why this video? And I'm making this video because I want to learn SDL, how to use it, and maybe if you want to learn it, maybe if this video is already some months old, I have already made some SDL programs and you can actually catch up on them if you want. And with this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it or learned something, and with this I say bye.